photographers are all getting ready. Yeah. These guys are all getting ready. Good morning, YouTube. It's early. I'm hungry. Today is day 3, the final day of the Royal Rally Triple Crown 2022. To say a huge shout out to Matt for inviting me on this. I've had an absolute blast. And I know a lot of the other guys have too, if not all of them. I haven't talked to everybody yet. So what is a rally? If you haven't watched the video, the rally consists of essentially a scavenger hunt and guys doing it in their cars. And Matt was incredibly creative. All of the different things he came up with for us to do. If you guys haven't watched the videos, go back, check them out. It's not a race. It's not based on speed. It's based on points. In fact, one of the other rallies I was on a few years ago in Saskatchewan, the slowest car in the event won the event. So, just to show you, nothing to do with that. So, we're currently in beautiful West Kelowna, the Okanagan Valley of British Columbia, or Canada, I guess you would say. Wine country. I don't drink wine. And we're gonna finish today in Revelstoke. So, with that said, Graham and I are gonna turn around, beeline back, drop the car off at August, fly home. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's get some breakfast, get on with the day. Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Can we get some breakfast?
We want to get some breakfast.
Right now?
Right now?
Continental?
Continental with
I like
OJ.
it. I like your style, buddy.
Most resilient or whatever it was.
Hey,
Yo,
what are you eating over there?
toast.
Nice. That's about. It tastes better when it's free.
They've all been free.
It's a fair argument, isn't it?
Yesterday's supper was unbelievable.
Oh my god. And the
Matt,
drinks.
The drinks.
Oh,
The drinks were good.
so good. Anyway, it's early. Not really anybody's here yet. You look me in the eye when you eat that?
No.
Why are you wearing your sunglasses? Did you have a long night?
Night implies that you went to bed at some point.
Did you go to bed last night?
I don't actually know.
Graham, how'd you sleep last night?
Amazing.
Yeah, me too.
Great.
So we finished breakfast and come up and chill out. Graham's over here, chilling out.
Chilling.
Had a good night's sleep, just watching some golf. Look what I got. Grande blonde espresso, 3 shots, sweet cream. You're welcome.
My absolute favorite person.
I'm your favorite person?
Favorite.
You're welcome.
Got that on camera. Thank you.
Everybody's getting ready. Graham's ready to go.
Ready to go?
Ready to go. Photographers are all getting ready.
Oh no.
Yeah. These guys are all getting ready. Keno and Courtney. They're a bunch of big jerks and they're leaving us. They only did the 2-day rally, not the 3-day. What are you doing? Did I do it right? Are you sure you didn't try it? Let's see. Let's get it on camera. That's the one?
Yeah.
Perfect.
That's the ticket.
That's the ticket. Perfect. Yeah.
That's the only ticket.
I just said you guys are
for
big
the day.
losers because you're leaving us now.
I know.
Yeah. Well,
We're gonna pave the way for you. We're gonna go to Revelstoke and we'll let you know if there's.
We
spots.
appreciate that. Good job. Good job.
Got you.
Except for you probably.
Doing the Lord's work over here. I don't know what to tell you.
Perfect. Thank you for that. Yeah. G, you got your game face on, Rabbit?
Let's go.
Let's go. You ready? Here, maybe I should get 1 or 2 of these cars leaving. All right, Matt, you ready, buddy?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
I'm always ready too.
I love that this is a rental. That's my favorite part.
He's always first in a rental.
Is he? That's awesome. Probably because he's not scared to break it.
Probably. Pick it up.
Oh.
Everything carefully.
Thanks, brother.
Thanks, Matt.
Visit each of the following stops and draw a card from a standard deck of playing cards. Draw your first card in the parking lot of 19 Okanagan. Photograph an octagonal dairy barn. Present this photo at your next card location. No photo, no card. Ooh.
So this is our stop here at the octagon-shaped barn. Graham just jumped out, got our picture. Here we go. You got it?
Got it.
Off like a bride skirt.
Nailed it.
Okay, so next stop is we have to draw a card there, get pictures of these dinosaurs and goats, but I don't see And he go, oh, never mind, I found him. Right there. Mateen, were you broke down on the side of the highway and there's emergency vehicles behind you? What was going on there?
I don't know what happened there. I was doing the speed limit.
Yeah.
Is this my 15 minutes of fame?
What'd you draw?
An 8, a 7,
A 7? So we got 6 and 7?
13.
We're going to 21?
Can't go over 21.
Can't go over 21. So under 8.
8 or under, yeah.
Okay.
Which
Cool.
is tough.
Hey, look at the horses over there. Did you see them?
Yeah, they're right there.
They're right there, yeah. What's that?
Look at this fully functioning human right here.
Well, see if we can find a turntable here with a public beach next to it.
$300 a night.
That's actually really reasonable. You're just kind of in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. It's like a waterfall there. Another waterfall up there. Easy. Yeah, it looked like it was on the corner where that thing is.
First day opening.
We led the pack here. I hope it was in the right spot. We're not sure. We're looking for it. Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Do you know why you're saying thank you?
Hey?
You know why you're saying thank you?
No.
I saved your marriage. I stayed off your ass today.
Oh, I know.
I didn't push you all the way down the road.
She's a little happier now.
Yeah, see? We're at the finish line, buddy. Yeah. Oh, poker chip.
Poker chip.
You
had one job.
One job. Do you guys have your poker chip?
Yeah.
Mateen, you got your poker chip? At the beginning. Poker chip. Poker chip. You ready?
Poker chip.
For those wondering why we have the poker chip, you missed it. We went 40 kilometers in the wrong direction for one of our stops, and we skipped it. This is our get out of jail free card. So, we hope. We don't even know if they'll accept it, but we'll try. All the way up there. Why does your shirt say crew in the box? I'm confused.
Because I don't have a The Boss
You
shirt.
should have a boss shirt.
I don't have one.
It should say, I'm the boss, bitch, right on the back.
Okay, I can do that for
Keep it
next
classy
time.
like that.
That's pretty classy.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Got our gondola paths around here. These guys are doing downhill biking. I used to as a kid, love it, but bikes have come a little ways since then.
Trying to do this for 2 years. We initially had the rig set up, everything was planned, venues booked, everything ready to go, and then COVID shut us down. We tried to do it again in 2021, COVID shut us down. 2022, we finally did it.
Guys, we made it back to the room. We fly out in just a couple of hours tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed it. Shout out to Matt for inviting me on the Royal Rally. It was a great time. I recommend if you guys live anywhere kind of near Calgary and you're a car enthusiast, check it out. It's a great time. Matt's an awesome person. Love to support him. But you don't have to live in the Calgary area. I personally came from Saskatoon, 700 miles the other way. People came from the Maritimes, which is like 4,000 miles the other way. Guy came from San Francisco. I don't even know how far that is. Far. It's another country. So don't be afraid. Check it out. Drop Matt a line. He hosts these events a couple times a year throughout the summer. We're just packing up. We're going to take off here right away. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.